Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Ultraviolette has launched its official riding community known as UV SQUADRON. Moreover, the company organized its first community ride in Bengaluru for celebrating the 2023 World Motorcycle Day. This event depicts Ultraviolette's commitment to revolutionizing the way of riding and showcasing its cutting-edge technology. Ultraviolette organizes the first community ride. About Ultraviolette Squadron's first community ride. The Ultraviolette has organized its first community ride with squadron members to celebrate World Motorcycle Day 2023. The ride was flagged off from Bengaluru. The recent landmark event marked a significant milestone for the brand and marked the birth of UV SQUADRON. On this day, a group of passionate riders came together on a common platform. The ride has covered an impressive distance of over 2,000 kilometers in just one day. The riders embarked on an exhilarating journey across various terrains with the thrill of riding the F77 electric motorcycles. The event also covered a spirit, the adventure, and brotherhood among the riders engaged in a variety of exciting adventure sports. The sports including rock climbing and rappelling have added a dash of excitement to the festivities. This event served as a testament to the shared passion and camaraderie among the F77 community, celebrating the joy of adventure and togetherness. A group of the UV SQUADRON community. About UV SQUADRON community. UV SQUADRON is an exciting platform designed for motorcycle enthusiasts having a common passion for innovation and sustainable transportation. It serves as a dynamic hub where individuals can connect, share their experiences, and contribute to the brand's electric motorcycle ecosystem. The UV SQUADRON celebrates those who are passionate and forward-thinking, recognizing the importance of sustainability in the world of mobility. Going beyond just community rides, the UV SQUADRON ventures into unexplored territory, aiming to create extraordinary experiences for the community. It boasts a spirit of adventure and innovation which constantly push the boundaries of design, technology, and overall experiences. Thanks for watching. Credits to Motoroids.com. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.